It's another weekend. Welcome back to the channel. We are trying to get tax stuff done and a little bit of cleaning done. I've got to clean our office area so we can find our tax information and stuff, and then I think we're going to get rid of this bookshelf because it serves no purpose. Books just sit there. Maybe we'll donate these books. But all this stuff needs to be taken care of. And then some of this cardboard and this stuff needs to be taken care of. But that's the mission right now. Clean and make room so we can start this dresser over here. We're going to try and cut this base off it. Build a new base and put some modern legs on this. Lift it up a bit. Alright, it's a new day, a new week actually. Got my ears pierced for my birthday. This is what we did with the basement. Easier access to our filing cabinets. Got everything cleaned up. Got ready to start this dresser. It's much easier to move down here. We are going to start priming our bathroom walls so we can get paint on them soon, because the drywall is done. Alright, it's been a while. Haven't recorded or posted in 2 weeks. I've recorded only a few things in those 2 weeks, but here's our bathroom. What we want to do today is get the toilet installed, the vanity installed, maybe the towel racks and stuff installed. Here's where we got toilets in. Got a silicone around the base. Shower heads in. Light is partially in. Our vanity is in. Everything's plumbed and good to go. Just gotta paint our mirror that goes there, put some shelves up, put some more shelves up in here. Fix this door jamb so we can hang our door. So we have to go to the store to pick up some supplies for this bathroom, this linen closet right here. needs some shelving, so we got to buy some wood for that. We got to buy trim for all around the floor, and I think that's it for now. We bought wood for our shelves, trim for the shelves, the front of it, shelf supports. This wood right here is for the dresser, making a new base for it. These are for the door stops. And we got this thing. I'm going to put together right now. I bought these for Backsplash to fill in or cover that gap.
It just bends real easy.
And we're going to cut it and peel and stick. That's all it is. I think it looks okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is as far as we got. These two are too close. I couldn't move that one further apart because it just kept going back into the same hole, the screw. So I got to cut this pipe before I can put that in. And we got our dusty, dirty mirror up. Backsplash. Toilet paper. It looks so nice compared to the last version of this bathroom. Well, the bathroom's basically done. We've got to get the door put on, the shelves built, but it's functional, so we can use it. And it's not going to take up any more time on our weekends. But right now, it's Saturday night, and I haven't posted a video in 2 weeks. So I'm going to do my best to get some sort of vlog posted. And I think I'm going to do a vase pour right now. I haven't done a vase pour in a while. I'm probably going to do a step-by-step video of this, because people always have some questions on these vase pour videos. I don't really have any answers because I don't do anything specific, so I just mix paint and stuff. But maybe a step-by-step vase pour video will help someone. I just got done with my vase pour video. Actually, 2 vase pour videos. I gotta go the other way around because I got all the way done with the first video. I had the paint poured over the vase, and I used a vase that had a square bottom. It didn't cover, so I had to redo the whole thing and make another video, which was very annoying. See, it didn't cover. That was the first vase. So I made another video, and I mixed too much paint, so I had to do 2 vases. That was pretty irritating, but whatever. Wasted a lot of paint, so that's good. Our basement is getting messy again. This bathroom, home renovations create a giant mess. So that's what I got to do right now. Before I start editing some of these videos, I have to clean up some of this stuff. Oh, and we were doing this earlier. Painting our bathroom door black. It's gonna look nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. I want to work out tomorrow too. I gotta get all this stuff cleared out. I feel like I just did it. Alright, the weight room's cleared out, besides the shop vac. Recycling is organized, our door's out of the way, and I'm going to get to editing and close out this vlog. Hopefully I can get back to a regular routine soon, getting projects done. We have a dresser that needs to get done, but we'll see. If that bathroom gets finished and doesn't present any more problems, I think we'll get on schedule. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.